Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Science Learners. Again I brought a new this question paper of hospital and clinical pharmacy. Till now I uploaded 3 question paper. So as soon as I'm getting this question paper, I'm trying to upload it. So this question paper for D Pharma second year, those who took the admission in 2020. So जल्दी से इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं थोड़ा रीड आउट कर देती हूँ. अभी इससे आपको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया मिल जाएगी कौन से लेसन से कौन से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. क्वेश्चन पेपर ज़रूर प्रेफर करना है क्योंकि उसी के मोस्टली ये हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी में रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस ही आते हैं. सो लेट्स चेक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिस्क्राइब द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल. Second question is discuss the pharmaceutical factor affecting the viability. Third is explain the treatment of drug abuse. Fourth is describe abilities of the hospital pharmacist. Fifth is explain the mobile dispensing unit and unit doses dispensing. Sixth is explain the centralized and decentralized hospital purchase. Seventh is explain the pyrogen test. Eighth is describe the factor affecting the make or buy decision. Ninth is explain the ability requirement for the drug information specialist. 10th is write a note on the glucometer. 11th is classify the bandage with example. 12th is give a function of the clinical pharmacist. 13 is give the complications of the diabetes mellitus. 14A is explain the pathophysiology and manifestation of the arthritis. B is explain food drug interaction. Next is define and classify the adverse drug reaction and explain teratogenicity and carcinogenicity. Next is define classify the poison with the example. B is explain the treatment for the insecticide poisoning. 16 is explain the drug induced hematological disorders and gastrointestinal disorders, pulmonary disorders. 17 is enumerate normal and abnormal constituent of urine. B is write a location and layout of the outpatient department. C is explain the clarity test for the parenteral. This is the one question paper. Another question paper in continuity I am going to read out. First question is define and explain the term bioavailability. Second is explain the use of the computer in the inventory control. Third is define the drug addiction and counseling. Fourth is give suitable advice for the patient using the following drugs. First is diazepam, tetracycline, antacid tablets. Fifth question is write a note on the hospital formulary. Sixth is classify the poison with a suitable example. Seventh is write a normal value and significance of the blood clotting time and blood pressure. Eighth is give the pathophysiology and complications. Next is ninth one is what is satellite pharmacy. 10th is explain the method of the unit doses dispensing. 11th is comment on the location, layout and size of the hospital pharmacy. 12th write a note on the pricing of the prescription. 13 is what is the role of the PT committee in drug safety. Section B, question number 14, classify, explain adverse drug reaction, explain the allergic drug reaction and teratogenicity. This question is again and again is coming. Next is what is the drug interaction. Describe mechanism of drug interaction with example. Define hospital. Classify them based on the ownership and the control. B is describe the supportive services provided in the hospital. 16A is explain sterile manufacturing in the hospital. B is give a suitable layout and plan for the sterile manufacturing. C is add a note on the adjustment of the tonicity for the parenterals. And last question is discuss the causes, pathophysiology, signs and symptoms and treatment of the tuberculosis. So for a new update or new question paper, be watching my this Science Learner channel. Till then, take care.